And in short, nasa kanya na lahat.
This is the 17th IR Bike Fest and I am here sa booth ng Profender. This is not an ordinary day for me kasi si Mrs. tinaguan ko lang para makasalisi tayo. And as you can see behind me are all the beauties ng Profender. Pero I'm not here for the beauties. I am here para interviewin kung ang beauties ba ng Profender has the brains as well. Una, tanungin muna natin yung mga pangalan nila. Sana hindi ako mapalo dito ha. Tapos tanungin natin kung alam ba nila kung ano yung mga Profender na binebenta nila dito sa booth. Ma'am, pwede ba magtanong? Your name please?
Zalyn Dizon.
Nilagyan pa ng konting beauty and attractiveness. Ano masasabi mo dun sa isang model ng Profender like you?
Ang masasabi ko sa Max Series ay pwede siyang lambutan, pwedeng tigasan. And higit sa lahat, pwede din sa pangbalagbagan katulad ng off-road tsaka on-road. And lastly, pwede din siya sa all-around.
Hindi lang maganda, alam pa niya ang kanyang sinasabi. Very good, thank you. Pwede po ba malaman mo ng iyong name?
I'm Des.
Ito, challenge para sa iyo ha. I want to understand kung kabisado mo ba talaga yung iyong product.
Okay guys, si Flash is simple but rock. Also, you can adjust yung tigas at lambot. And lastly, hindi siya bibitaw sa biyahe.
Grabe naman pala ang Flash. Hindi lang yung model ang magaganda, pati yung Flash model. Let's ask her name first.
Rochelle.
Pangalan pa lang, pang Profender quality na guys. What can you tell us about the Air model ng Profender?
Number 1, very stylish, advanced features. At number 3, ikaka-addict mo sa lubak.
And last but not the least, hindi lang maganda, top of the line pa.
Hi, I'm Masulta.
Very unique yung name mo ha. It's typical for a Profender na unique din syempre. What can you tell us about yung top of the line model which is the X series?
About X Series, this is top of the line and queen of all motorcycle suspension. And in short, nasa kanya na lahat.
Thank you very much for our beauties. Hindi lang sila beautiful, they also know the products that they stand for. So thank you guys for watching. This is Profender from IR Bike Fest.